Hello everyone, it's me again, Sonia from OTG Naturals, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own green tea oil. So we're going to be using this green tea oil for our rice water challenge starting in August, next week here. So what I did was I used 6 tea bags, and I also used this particular measurement cup. It's 100 cubic centimeter, so I used 2, making it 200 millimeters. And so I poured the almond oil into the tea, and also placed this in a warm water, so not a cooking water or not a boiling water, sorry, but it's done boiling. So just take it out, put it extra in a bowl, and then place your green tea onto inside of it for it to absorb, for the green tea to absorb into the almond oil. And then so I just left this in for about 30 minutes, stir it, and if possible change the water if you feel it's getting cold or cool. Just change the water, and yes, after 30 minutes, while it's still absorbing, I went ahead to prepare my carrier oils, which consist of 1 tablespoon castor oil, 40 drops of peppermint oil, 50 drops of spearmint, 50 drops of tea tree oil, and 20 drops of lemongrass. So this is really important to make this extra, and then pour or filter the green tea oil inside your already prepared carrier oil to also give our oil the desired smell and also increase the growth tendency. So after that, instead of throwing the green tea away, I decided to just pour the hot water inside the green tea to get out the juice, because it would be nice to spray your hair. If you're not taking part in the rice water challenge, you can use this as your normal usual spray. So I pour this into the bottle, into the green tea, and then I'll filter this later. Yes, filter this later, and then use the tea or the juice as a spray for our hair. So after that, I just mixed all my oils together, like my green tea oil now with the carrier oil, everything mixed together, and pour into the bottle I'm going to be using during the challenge. So here, as you can see, I separated my green tea now from the water to have the juice of the tea, and this can also be used as a spray for your hair to get rid of split ends, to stop even breakage, and to get rid of dandruffs. So thank you for watching, and I wish you a lovely day and happy challenge. Bye.